I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
It's not Damburger, hamburger.
I'm not saying Dimburger. I said I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy the hamburger.
Hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
Maybe we should stop.
We don't quit. We do not quit. Again.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy the burger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
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 The burger.
The manner we speak any word is called pronunciation. It's important that it should be proper and clear. It has a good impression on others when the words are pronounced correctly. With the correct pronunciation, the other person can understand us quite easily, whereas bad pronunciation leaves bad impression on others. Mispronouncing the words makes it difficult for the listener to understand the main point which we want him to understand. Even he can misunderstand us. Today's video is all about this. I have a common words list containing all those words that are oftenly mispronounced. Let's begin the video to find out these words and to know how to pronounce them right. Here we have the first word. We do pronounce this word as almond, not as almond. Women. It's wrong to pronounce this word as women. Police. We will not say this word as police. Breakfast. To pronounce it as breakfast would be incorrect. Vehicle shouldn't be pronounced as vehicle. Chenille. Yes, you heard this right. We do not say this word as chenille. The syllable che will be pronounced here as sh, not as cha. Alright? We would pronounce this word as cocoa, not as cocoa. The letter A would be silent here. Hierarchy. Yes, we will not say this word as hierarchy. Pronouncing this word could be a little bit difficult at the start. However, with some practice, you can surely do this. I have got one tip. To pronounce this word correctly, you could do one thing. Just break down the word into sounds like higher and archy. Now say the word at once. Doing this gonna get easier for you to pronounce this word properly. This is another common word that is usually mispronounced. It's primarily pronounced as vegetable. This is the wrong way of pronouncing it. The correct pronunciation is vegetable. Do not stress the letter G too much to avoid the mistake. Athlete. We do not call this word as athlete, as it has only 2 syllables. So next time, before you pronounce this word, make sure not to put more stress after the letters ATH, which are the first syllable of this word. If you do this, it would make your pronunciation wrong. One another most common word, which is also not pronounced correctly. Generally, it is called as February or February. Well, it's not pronounced like this either way. The correct way of pronouncing this word will be February. The letter R would be silent here. Now, look at this word. We would pronounce it as cash. Cache is the wrong pronunciation. Transient. We will not say this word as transient. It's wrong to pronounce like this. Hopefully, this lesson helps you to learn something new. I'll come back very shortly with another useful lesson like this. So be sure to hit the subscribe button to get all the notifications of every new lesson on time. Till then, stay blessed, stay connected. Thanks you all. See you next time.